Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Sunday Coast Bass Fishing Shows. You might be like, wait a minute, this is a little different. Is he doing a morning show? Did he get here at daybreak? No, I'm actually doing a night show. I told you I got that light and I want to try to do a night show. I don't know how it's going to work. I don't know how bright it's going to be. I'm not going to be wearing a hat cam because obviously if it's aiming out there and it's pitch black, you probably ain't going to be seeing much anyway. But I have this one, I have that light. Hopefully as it gets darker, at least you'll be able to see me and see the fish I'm catching. I can hold them up, do the update style. So you can see me fighting them. I've been saying I want to do it. This is just the first trial. I need more lights, obviously. Hopefully this one works. I'm here at Coyote, by the way. Hope you enjoy it. The one thing I didn't account for was all the friggin' bugs attracted to light. I guess that's what you get in a night show. Throwing the spinnerbait to start. That's a lot of bugs, guys. Guess I'm gonna have to do one where I have the light in one spot and the camera in another. Because the light along with the camera doesn't seem to be working too well. I've got the rattle trap on. Man, did not expect to feel the bugs like this. Be right back. I'm gonna try the drop shot. I actually caught a fish at night. Oh, he threw it. Oh, he threw it. Aha. Oh. There's a lot of activity, guys. I believe I'm getting this much activity and they wouldn't hit the freaking spinnerbait or the rattle trap. Bug. Ah. Bug trapped in my ear. I got one in my nose. No. Ah, crap. Broke off my freaking drop shot. This is not good. Ah. Another bug in my ear. Yep. I think one hit it. Yeah. Got him. Well, at least the flicking works. Here we go. Look at that. You can even see me trying to hold the fish up. I forget where it's aiming. Oh, he's bleeding. Oh well. First I break off my drop shot. Now I mess up my worm. Oh, another fish. Little guy. I got another fish. Damn, he's aerobatic. He jumped like 10 times. Yahoo! There we go. Another fishy at night. Hopefully you can see it when I do that. That is a fish. Yay. Night fishing fun. Pain in the butt. Oh good, he didn't throw my freaking worm yet. How late they get at night. They get very late and no nothing. Actually flatten the camera a little so I can get a little closer to the light. I had it kind of aimed down to start with, but I don't know, it's 200 lumens. Apparently that's not bright enough. Make that more. Man, he was way out there. Drop shot at night. Drop shot with a dark color seems to work. Hook's down his throat. Hook was down his throat, but I got it out. They're all clone. They're all about 12 inches though. They're just thin. Nighttime. I'm just gonna work this point. Like I said, this is just a sort of an experiment to see what the light already. Isn't it cool? All the bugs went away. That was terrible when it started. I had so many bugs. I had them go to my ear. I had them go to my mouth. I had them go to my nose. I had them in my eyes. I had bugs everywhere when it started. Guess they all went to sleep or something. Uh-oh. That might be it, guys. I'm not hooking up another drop shot. I'm just gonna throw around the friggin' rattle trap right now. And then maybe the spinnerbait. Don't think they're on an active bite. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can see those colors. It's got some chartreuse in it, and it's got some black in it, and it's got some green pumpkin in it. Can't get nothing on the jig. Can't even get a bite. No bites on the jiggy boo. I pretty much exhausted everything. Okay guys, I think that's gonna do it for this little night adventure at Coyote. Caught some fish, learned that they still hit the plastics. It's not always they're gonna be on the spinnerbait or the rattle trap or the bladed jig. They didn't want anything active. Threw the jiggy around. They didn't seem to want that either. Things I learned about doing a night show. Don't put the light right on the camera, because right now I'm being blinded and I can't see the camera. Another thing I learned, 200 lumens might be bright enough for me to use it over there to put my stuff and tie knots. Definitely not bright enough for doing a show. I need one of the like 2000 lumens or the nice ones. Another thing I learned, the bugs are gonna go crazy the second you turn the light on. Right now, after it's been, I don't know how long I've been here, hour and a half, 2 hours, they seem to kind of go away. But bug spray maybe right when it first goes dark and you put on the light, because they were like up my nose, they were in my ear, they were in my eye, they were everywhere. The other thing is, yeah, definitely 2 lights. I only brought that light, and every time I went over there, I was blind because I looked at this before I went over there, and I had to bring everything back over here to try and tie it. I couldn't see anything over there. I didn't even bring an extra light. I was just more focused on this one. Anyway, it was kind of a haphazard, just wanted to come here and do one. It's still like 80 degrees out. It's a perfect night for it, no wind. Hope you enjoyed it. Please join us for our next Central Coast Bass Fishing Show. And like if you liked, and please sub. I gotta get all this stuff. I have stuff scattered everywhere. I gotta get it all together. Gotta walk a ways. I'm rambling. Like I said, this is just the first attempt. I learned a lot of stuff. Hopefully the next night show is a lot better. And I'm out of here.
Yeah.